Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back. This delicious egg stew was under 30 minutes. Yes, let me show you how I made it. So in a pan I added my olive oil with one red onion, some habanero that I chopped it up. Then after adding the onion I fry for a little bit before adding the pepper. Then I added some salt, garlic salt, and all the seasonings that is showing on the screen, which is curry powder and some sankofa spice blend. This smells incredible. Yes, you will fry this for 3 to 5 minutes. Then we will go ahead to add our chopped up fresh tomatoes. Don't worry, I'm gonna leave all the ingredients under the description if you want to check it out. Yeah. So after adding my chopped up tomatoes, I'm gonna let it fry for a little bit before we continue with the cooking process. I hope everybody is doing well. Thank you so much for the support. I really do appreciate each and everyone for taking the time to watch my videos. So it's been cooking for like 3 to 5 minutes now. I check it in between and this smells heavenly. Like, look at that. You can just have some yam with this stew. You can have rice with it. You can have plantain. Like, you can pretty much have everything with this stew, and it's very easy to make. It's under 30 minutes. So at this point I added some all-purpose seasoning to it, fry for a little bit before I'll go ahead to add some green beans. But before then I added some spring onion, some green bell peppers, and some red bell peppers. At this point you don't even have to add this onion and bell peppers. I just wanted some more veggies in my stew, so I decided to add it. I'll be adding some green beans as well. You can totally omit it and it's not going to change anything in this delicacy. Yeah, but if you can add these ingredients, oh my goodness, it will just take it to the next level. This one is not just like any other egg stew, but vegetable egg stew. Yeah. After adding the rest of the veggies, we will let it cook for a little bit before we will go ahead to add our eggs in it, and this stew is ready. Yes. So over here I came back to check up on it, and I'm gonna go ahead to add my eggs into it. I didn't want I want some kind of chunkiness of the eggs, so I didn't beat everything out. Yeah, but you can go ahead and do you. As I always say in the kitchen, you cook up with available ingredients, and at the end of the day you'll be the one to eat it. So you do it according to your preferences. Thank you so much. If you've been watching me till now, please like, subscribe, and share to your loved ones. Don't forget to leave me a comment down below. Until my next one, stay safe. And look at that. Yes. What would you pay this stew with? Just leave it the comment down for me. I do really appreciate to see your comment down. So don't forget to leave me one. I'm gonna link up some Ghanaian recipes and some stir-fry recipes up here if you want to check that out. And I'm gonna leave the ingredients down below. Thank you so much. Bye.